Hello friends, last lecture we have to study the basic concept, the chapter fraction, the types of fraction, like unlike fraction, unit fractions, how to comparison of fraction, how to add or subtract like or unlike fraction or mixed fraction. In this chapter we have to study the practice set 6.1. Question is the first. Compare the following fraction 8 by 3 and 5 by 2. Here we comparing the fraction 8 by 3 and 5 by 2. Okay. Here the denominator is 3 and 2. That means both the fraction are unlike fraction. To convert into a like fraction, we multiplying this 3 and 2 by some particular number. That means LCM of both the 3 and 2. Now the LCM of 3 and 2 is a 6. Therefore, 8 by 3 can be write as a 8 into 2, 3 into 2, which is equal to 16 by 6. 5 by 2 can be write as a 2 into 3. Next one, 5 into 3, which is equal to 15 by 6. In both the fraction, we observe the numerator 16 and 15. The number 16 is greater. Therefore, 16 by 6 is greater than the fraction 15 by 6. That is, here 16 by 6 is equivalent to the 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is greater than the fraction 15 by 6 is equivalent to 5 by 2. The 5 by 2. We say that 8 by 3 is greater than 5 by 2. Okay. Now question is second. Here also 4 by 9 and 3 by 7 are unlike fraction. First we convert into the like fraction. We are take the LCM of 9 and 7. LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. Okay. We multiplying this 9 by 7 and 4 by also 7, 7 by 9 and 3 by 9, we get a 9 7 is 63, 7 9 is 63, same here denominator. Therefore 4 by 9 can be write as a 4 into 7, 9 into 7, which is equal to 28 by 63. 3 by 7 also write as a 3 into 9, 7 into 9, which is equal to 27 by 63. Okay. Here 28 by 63 is greater than the 27 by 63. Therefore, here 4 by 9 is the fraction greater than the 3 by 7. Okay. Now, पुढे आपलं एक्झाम्पल दिलंय बरं मात्र 7 by 10 आणि 9 by 14. 10 आणि 14 जर आपण जर बघितलं तर एलसीएम कसा फाइंड आउट करायचा 10 आणि 14 चा 10 चा टेबल आधी घेऊया नंतर 14 चा टेबल घेऊया 10 20 30 ओके 14 चा टेबल घेतला आपण तर आपण इथे बघितलं की 70 हा कॉमन नंबर आहे आणि तो लहानात लहान पण आहे लिस्ट पण आहे. Therefore, the LCM of 10 and 14 by table method, this is a 70. Here, LCM of 10 and 14 is a 70. Therefore, 7 by 10 can be write as a, yes, how can write this? 10 into 7 and 7 into 7, which is equal to 49 by 70. Okay, here we write this as a 49 by 70. After that, 9 by 14 can be write as a 14 5 are 70. Okay, and 9 5 are 45. Here denominator 70 70 are same, that means they are converted into the like fraction. If you are observing the numerator of both the fraction, 49 is greater than 45. नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा, जोपर्यंत डिनॉमिनेटर सेम होत नाही तोपर्यंत त्या फ्रॅक्शनला कम्पेअर करायचं नाही. ओके, डिनॉमिनेटर सेम झाला. आता न्यूमरेटर बघा, 49 आणि 45 पैकी आपण बघितलं तर 49 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 45. देअरफॉर 49 बाय 70 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 45 बाय 70. ओके, अँड 49 बाय 70 जर म्हटला तर तो काय येणार आहे माझा नंबर 7 बाय 10 हा त्याचा इक्वॅलंट फ्रॅक्शन आहे. आणि 45 बाय जर 70 म्हटलं तर 9 बाय 14 येणार आहे. याचा अर्थ 7 बाय 10 हा कसा आहे बरं मात्र ग्रेटर आहे 9 बाय 14 पेक्षा. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर जर आपण इथे म्हटलं सेकंड, राईट द फॉलोइंग कलेक्शन इन असेंडिंग अँड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. आता सर्वात आधी आपण बघणार आहोत की असेंडिंग ऑर्डर कशाला म्हणायचं ते आणि डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, असेंडिंगचा अर्थ होत असतो चढता क्रम. असणारे चढता क्रम 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, डिसेंडिंगचा अर्थ होणारे उतरता क्रम. ओके, 5 4 3 2 1. ओके, अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला इथे घेता येणार आहे. बरोबर, दिस इज अ ascending order, this is a descending order. It goes from less to yes smaller to bigger number and bigger to smaller number. Here 11 by 8, 2 by 4, 7 by 2. Here the denominator of three fractions are not same, therefore first we same the denominator. Okay, we know that the LCM of 8 4 2 is 8. Okay, how sir? Because 2 4 is 8, 4 2 is 8 and 8 1 is 8. LCM of 8 4 2 is 8. Here 11 by 8 as it is. Now how can write a 2 by 4? 2 by 4 can be write as a 4 into 2, 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 is 4. Okay, and 4 to is 8. Next one, 7 by 2, we can write this as a 2 into 4 and 7 into 4. This is nothing but the 28 by 8. If you want, then multiply 11 by 1 and 8 by 1 when we get a 11 by 8. This is not essential or compulsory. Here denominator of all the fraction are same. Here the numerator is a 4 is a smaller, therefore 4 by 8 is a fraction is a smaller. That means 4 by 8 is a smaller. After that the greater one is a 11 by 8 and largest number is the 28 by 8. This is a ascending order. This is a ascending order. Now here we write a descending order. How can write a descending order easily? Sir, reverse the number. Yes, 28 by 8, 11 by 8 and 4 by 8 are the descending numbers in descending order. Second example, that here 9 3 and 4 the denominator is not same, that means we have to give a unlike fraction. We find out the LCM of 9 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 9 3 4? Is 36. You can find out this by the factor method also. Okay. 16 by 6, 16 by 9 is equal to, here we multiply 9 by 4, then we get a 36. Therefore 16 is also multiplied by 4. 16 4, 16 into 4 and 9 into 4. Here we get a denominator 36, and here 6 4s are 64. Next one, 5 by 3. If you multiply 3 by 12 and 5 by 12, then denominator is here, denominator 12 into 3 is 36. 5 by 3 is equal to 5 into 12 and 3 into 12, which is equal to 12 3 is 36 and 12 5 is 60. Next one, 7 by 4, which is equal to, here if you multiply 4 by which number? Yes, 9. 4 9s are 36 and 7 9s are, we find out 7 into 9 and 4 into 9. Here the denominator become 36 and 9 sevens are 63. Okay. Here the denominator of all the fraction is the same. That means they are into we convert into the like fraction. Okay. If you are observing the numerator 60, 63, 64, here 60 by 36 is a less, the greater one is a 63 by 36, and after that 64 by 36. This is a ascending order. This is a ascending order. How can I write a descending order? Yes, descending order can be write reversing the fraction. 64 by 36, 63 by 36 and 60 by 36, in such a way that we can write this. Next question is that solve. That means here we have to add two fraction 7 by 10 and 3 by 10. Here observe that the denominator of the both the fraction are same. Therefore we directly add here 7 by 10 plus 3 by 10, both are like fraction and denominator is a 10. We taken a common denominator as a 10, and 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10 by 10 and which is equal to 1. The value of the 7 by 10 plus 3 by 10 is a 1. Next one, but here in second example denominator is not same. First we convert both the fraction into a like fraction, 3 by 4 and 2 by 6. How to convert this? Here 3 by 4, we write 3 by 4, the LCM of the 4 and 6 is a 12. Therefore 4 3s are 12 and 3 3 is here 9, 4 3s are 12, here write as a 12. And next one fraction is us 2 by 6. Here 2 by 6, we can write here 2 by 6 multiplying the 6 by 2, 6 into 2, and then here 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, 2 to the 4 and 6 to the 12. Here 12 12 denominator is the same. Okay. So adding this 3 by 4 means 9 by 12. Yes. And 2 by 6 means 4 by 12. They are equivalent. Therefore, we write this direct as, here denominator 12 is the same. If we add this 9 plus 4, we get answer 13 by 12. Yes, the answer is a 13 by 12. Here, third one. In third example, the denominator is a 3 and here denominator is a 5. Both are not same, therefore they are not a like fraction. First convert to into the like fraction. Yes, how to convert this into like fraction? The LCM of 3 and 5 is a 15. 3 5 is a 15 and 5 3 is a 15. Therefore, we write 1 by 3, which is as 3 into 5 and 1 into 5. 5 3 is a 15. Yes, and 1 5 is a 5. Okay. Here, 7 by 5 can be write as 5 into 3. Similarly, 7 into 3, multiplying the same number to the numerator and denominator. Here 5 5, here 3 3. 7 3 are 21 and 5 3 are 15. Here denominator are same. Therefore, we easily add both the fraction 1 by 3 and 7 by 5. 1 by 3 means 5 by 15, both are equivalent. And 7 by 5 means 21 by 15, both are equivalent. Yes, here denominator 15 is the same. We are adding the numerator 5 plus 21. What is the answer? Sir, 5 plus 21 is a 26 by 15 is our answer. Next question number. Here, sub question number 4. 3 by 10 plus 4 by 5. If you multiply 5 by 2 and 4 by 2, 5 to the 10, 10, 10 denominator are same. That means they convert into the like fraction. We does not multiply 3 by 10 by any number. We first write 4 by 5 as a 5 into 2 and 4 into 2, which is equal to 8 by 10. Okay. Now 3 by 10 as it is. Now 4 by 5 means 4 by 5 means 8 by 10. Both are equivalent. Therefore, we taken 10 as a denominator. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is a 11. Therefore, the answer is a 11 by 10. Okay. Here we observe the 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Here denominator is the same. That means both are the like fraction. Therefore, we directly subtract the numerator. Here 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Here 3 is a common denominator. 5 minus 2, which is equal to 5 minus 2 is a 3. 3 by 3. 3 3 get cancel. Answer is a 1. We get answer 1. If we subtract 5 by 3, sorry, 2 by 3 from 5 by 3, then we get answer 1. Next one. Here the 5 and 7, the base are not same. Therefore, we take a LCM of 5 and 7. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? There 7 5s are 35 and 5 7s are 35. So the LCM is both are 5 and 7 are prime number. Therefore, the LCM is 35. Yes, 3 by 5, write as a 5 into 7. 3 into 7, which is equal to 21 by 35. 3 by 7, which is equal to 7 into 5, and 3 into 5, which is equal to 3 5 is 15, 7 5 is 35. Here the sign is does not add, we subtract both. Therefore, 3 by 5 minus 3 by 7 is 21 upon 35 minus 15 upon 35. Okay, which is equal to 35. 21 minus, here base is the same. Therefore, when I subtract, and which is equal to, yes, 21 minus 15 is a 6, and 6 by 35, we get answer is a 6 by 35. Okay. Question number 4. A house is built on a 2 by 5 part of a plot, and a garden is made on the remaining part. What part of the plot is made for the garden? We ask what part of the plot is made for the garden. Suppose that this is a whole part of the plot, and in this plot we build a house. We built a house. This is a edge house. In remaining part, we planted a garden. Yes, this is a garden. Okay. Now the part of the plot for a house is a 2 by 5, and if you consider the part for the garden is as x, then we know that the total part of the plot can be calculated by adding both the numbers 2 by 5 and x. Then we get answer 1. Answer 1 because of the whole part. Okay. If you add here 2 by 5 plus your dash is equal to 1. 1 means 5 by 5. The answer is, sir, is that 2 plus 3 is a 5. Therefore, the answer is a 3 by 5. That means the garden is a plot on the part 3 by 5. Okay. How can I write this? Yes, this can be right by step by step. Given information is that given that 2 by 5th part 2 by 5th part is a for build a house. 2 by 5th part build a house of a plot. We consider or let x part of a plot or x part planted a garden of a plot. Okay. Therefore, total plot is equal to part for the part for the house plus part for the planting a garden. That means 2 by 5 plus x, which is equal to the total plot is 1, and here 2 by 5 plus x. We know that if we here put the value, here is a 3 by 5, 2 plus 3 is a 5. Okay, and here denominator is the same 5. Therefore 5 get cancel, get answer of 1. That means the value of the x is a 3 by 5. Therefore the we write here x is equal to 3 by 5. And what is the x? X is a part of planting a garden of a plot. That means the part of the plot, the 3 by 5 is the part of the plot on which garden was planted. We easily write the solution of this question. Thank you.